The much-awaited affordable electric car that many believe might never come to fruition is now a reality, but instead of the anticipated Model 2, Tesla has unveiled the groundbreaking 2025 Model Q. This announcement from Elon Musk has sent ripples through the electric vehicle EV industry, raising the bar for what affordable electric vehicles could become. So what exactly is the Model Q? How does it compare to the canceled Model 2? And most importantly, will it live up to Tesla's promise of making EVs more accessible? Let's dive into the details of this revolutionary car and explore why it's poised to be Tesla's next big leap forward. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support will help us reach our goal of 1,000 new subscribers, ensuring that you never miss exciting updates on Tesla's groundbreaking innovations and other cutting-edge tech stories. Why did Tesla decide to cancel the Model 2? The decision was largely driven by feasibility and vision. Tesla understood that while the Model 2 seemed like a great idea, it faced serious hurdles when it came to balancing cost, quality, and technological innovation. Elon Musk has frequently stressed that Tesla's mission is to deliver cutting-edge technology without compromising on quality. To meet the anticipated price of the Model 2, Tesla would have had to either cut back on features or use outdated manufacturing processes, both of which Musk found unacceptable. Additionally, internal projections revealed that manufacturing the Model 2 at such a low price would have resulted in very slim profit margins. Material costs, especially for lithium-ion batteries, have surged by nearly 200% in the past 2 years. Global supply chain disruptions have also inflated production costs, making it nearly impossible to achieve a profitable Model 2. Rather than risking its reputation for delivering high-performance vehicles, Tesla opted to redirect its resources toward a more viable alternative, the Model Q. This strategic shift demonstrates Tesla's ongoing commitment to innovation. The Model Q retains many of the features originally planned for the Model 2, such as affordability, advanced battery technology, and streamlined production, but refines them to deliver even more value. With structural battery packs, 4,680 cells, and a starting price of just $18,900, the Model Q exceeds what the Model 2 aimed to accomplish while still adhering to Tesla's high standards. Do you agree that Tesla made the right choice by shelving the Model 2 in favor of the Model Q? If you think it was a smart decision, comment with a 1, but if you believe that Tesla should have moved forward with the Model 2 despite the challenges, comment 2. Your opinion could spark the next major conversation about Tesla's strategy, so stay tuned for our next piece, where we dive deeper into why the Model Q is truly a game-changer for affordable EVs. Tesla's new production plan is expected to have a major impact on the EV landscape. The decision to manufacture the Model Q exclusively in Mexico marks a significant shift in Tesla's production strategy, one that has the potential to transform the entire EV industry. By leveraging Mexico's cost-effective labor force and its proximity to key North American markets, Tesla is positioning itself to meet the growing demand for affordable electric vehicles in both the U.S. and emerging markets. The Gigafactory in Monterrey, which will serve as the primary production hub for the Model Q, is set to become the most efficient facility in Tesla's global network. This cutting-edge plant will utilize advanced robotics, AI-driven systems, and Tesla's own unique manufacturing techniques, including gigacasting, to streamline production and reduce costs. Elon Musk's bold vision for the Model Q includes ramping up production to a target of 500,000 units annually. While this is an ambitious goal, it seems attainable considering Tesla's track record of overcoming production challenges. Thanks to these advancements, the Model Q is expected to be Tesla's most affordable vehicle, with an estimated starting price of just $17,897. The Model Q will offer a variety of features typically found in higher-end vehicles, but at a fraction of the cost. Analysts predict that the Model Q could quickly become Tesla's best-selling model, potentially surpassing even the hugely popular Model Y, which sold over 600,000 units in 2023 alone. The Model Q will be powered by Tesla's latest lithium-ion phosphate LFP battery technology, which not only boosts performance but also reduces production costs by as much as 30%. This reduction in costs will allow Tesla to offer a remarkable 300-mile range on a single charge, making the Model Q one of the most efficient vehicles in its class. The LFP battery is also expected to deliver an impressive 1.2 million miles of total lifetime before experiencing noticeable degradation, ensuring long-term durability. In addition to this, Tesla is incorporating fast charging capabilities, allowing the Model Q to reach 80% charge in just 25 minutes, a significant advantage for consumers who frequently take long road trips. Beyond its advanced powertrain, the Model Q will showcase Tesla's design philosophy, featuring a sleek, modern exterior with a drag coefficient of just 0.22, making it one of the most aerodynamically efficient vehicles in its class. The body will be constructed using Tesla's latest ultra-durable materials, including high-strength steel and aluminum alloys, ensuring a lightweight yet safe performance. Inside, the Model Q will boast a modern, spacious cabin, offering up to 105 cubic feet of interior space, which is more than any other vehicle in its class, all while maintaining a minimalist dashboard and a 15-inch touchscreen display that seamlessly integrates with Tesla's full suite of software. One of the most groundbreaking features of the Model Q is its inclusion of Tesla's enhanced autopilot system, which will bring advanced driver assistance features to a vehicle priced under $20,000 for the first time. This includes automated highway navigation, automatic lane changes, and enhanced parking assistance, making high-end autonomous driving technology available to a much broader audience. Tesla's commitment to improving its autopilot software through over-the-air updates means that the Model Q's autonomous capabilities will continue to improve over time, offering a futuristic driving experience that evolves with the technology. Tesla's innovative manufacturing strategy is a key factor in making the Model Q both affordable and high quality. The use of gigacasting technology will reduce the number of parts needed for assembly, further lowering the overall production cost. Tesla's focus on sustainability is also a driving factor, with production processes designed to minimize environmental impact, including the use of ethically sourced materials and renewable energy to power the gigafactories. By making the Model Q technologically advanced, eco-friendly, and affordable, Tesla is reinforcing its commitment to a sustainable future. Ultimately, Tesla's decision to produce the Model Q in Mexico and take advantage of its innovative production methods is poised to change the EV landscape, especially in the affordable EV market. The combination of an affordable price, groundbreaking technology, and efficient manufacturing could make the Model Q a game changer, setting Tesla on course for even greater success in the years to come. Do you think Tesla's Mexico-based production plan will set a new standard for EV manufacturing? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Will this innovative approach help Tesla dominate the affordable EV market, or will the competition catch up? Let's get the conversation started. The Model Q is set to do much more than simply add another vehicle to Tesla's lineup. It is strategically designed to meet the rapidly increasing competition in the affordable electric vehicle market. With companies like BYD, Volkswagen, and others aggressively vying for dominance in the budget EV segment, Tesla is stepping up its game with the Model Q, positioning itself as a leader once more. The Model Q's anticipated launch at a starting price of $18,900 represents a major milestone for Tesla, making EV technology accessible to a broader audience. Industry reports suggest that the budget EV market will grow by over 15% annually, reaching nearly $50 billion in total market size by 2028. In such a thriving market, the Model Q could play a significant role, allowing Tesla to maintain its dominance while making its cars more affordable. Analysts predict that if the Model Q meets the projected demand, its sales could exceed even those of the popular Model Y, which currently holds the title of Tesla's best-seller with over 600,000 units sold in 2023. With a target demographic that spans first-time EV buyers and younger, tech-savvy consumers, the Model Q has the potential to redefine what affordable electric vehicles can be. As Tesla's first car to feature a price tag under $20,000, the Model Q could attract a new wave of eco-conscious and cost-conscious buyers looking for a more affordable, sustainable option. This expansion of Tesla's customer base is part of a broader strategy to reach the mass market and further solidify Tesla's presence in the affordable EV segment. In addition to attracting a larger customer base, the Model Q will play a vital role in advancing Tesla's mission of accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. Tesla has long been a pioneer in the pursuit of renewable energy solutions, and the Model Q will take this mission a step further by providing a clean and green transportation option to a much larger portion of the global population. The vehicle's LFP battery technology is more sustainable than traditional lithium-ion batteries, reducing environmental impact without sacrificing range or efficiency. Will the Model Q be the game-changer Tesla hopes for? Or will it fall short of expectations? Can Tesla truly dominate the affordable EV market with a vehicle priced under $18,000? Or will the competition catch up too quickly? With Tesla's expanding production capacity and rapidly advancing technology, the potential for success is high. But what do you think? Do you believe the Model Q will emerge as the leader in affordable EVs? Or do you think the competition will ultimately surpass it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you think the Model Q is poised to take over the market, comment Y for yes. If you think its competition will catch up too quickly, comment N for no. We want to hear from you and keep the conversation going. Tesla's announcement of the Model Q represents a new chapter for the company. With its accessible pricing, cutting-edge technology, and global manufacturing strategy, the Model Q has the potential to revolutionize the EV market and redefine the concept of affordable electric vehicles. As production ramps up and the first units roll out, all eyes will be on Tesla to see if the company can deliver on its bold promises and continue its dominance in the ever-evolving EV industry. For all the latest updates on Tesla's Model Q and other groundbreaking innovations, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll keep you up to date on every exciting twist and turn in Tesla's journey to change the world.